Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XLT in magnetic. It has medium stone premium cloth seats, which are tan, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. This has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine, and it's a 4x4 and an EcoBoost. It also has technology package, which has adaptive cruise control as well as forward sensing. You also have a backup camera and backup sensors. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here. Your mirror controls here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the help of your running board, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see the important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu that we can toggle through. So we can go in there, trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center there's a little cubby to put items, and we're seeing our display screen, which you can touch on. You can go home. That was the map there for the navigation. You can also go into audio and choose your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You can also touch on your climate on the screen, and you see you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as the rear defrost and AC. And then you can go into your settings and slide through for different options, automatic updates, Wi-Fi, and so forth. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. You also have your hazard lights. And this vehicle also has lane keeping, and there's a little switch to, or a lever to the left of the steering wheel with a car with dotted lines. I'm just going to show you that there. And you're just seeing where my hand is, and that's where it's located, and that's your lane keeping. Down below you have your volume and tuner, dual climate control, the fans in the center there, front and rear defrost, heated seats for driver and passenger, and AC and max AC. You have two 12 volts as well as two USB, auto stop start, locking differential, tow haul, parking sensors, traction control. And you also have your 4x4 automatic select shifter, emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, a couple cup holders. Your armrest opens up just by clicking underneath, and then you've got lots of room down below. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. Mud flaps, and part of your chrome appearance package is your chrome and black running board, chrome door handles, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the back you have on your tailgate a chrome handle, and just below the Ford badge is your backup camera, backup sensors on your bumper. Your tailgate is lockable and removable, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you open it up, you're going to see inside nice little line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks. The back seat seats 3 and is a bench seat, and you also have an armrest with a couple of cup holders in the center. I'm just going to pop those up, and I'm going to show you how to bring up the seat. So you have these tabs on either side, and you just pull one and it'll bring it right up. You now have access to that little bin underneath. There's also your jack on the other side. Pull it again, it'll bring it right down. You also have anchors at the base to tether baby seats. There are carpeted mats on the floor, and it comes with extra all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center you have a couple of USB outlets and a 110 volt. Up above there's lighting, hooks, and handles, and in the back access to a sliding window that's manually adjusted, and you also have rear defrost. Mud flaps, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.